Now, the Law Society of Kenya has moved to court seeking orders reversing a recent public order on guidelines for conduct of public gatherings. LSK argues that the enforcement of the order is selective and an infringement of civil liberties. These sentiments have been echoed by Deputy President William Ruto and his allies, who are the perceived target. Kennedy Mureithi has more.
The heat caused by the adoption and enforcement of the public order and public gathering released by the National Security Advisory Committee continues to stoke many fires. The Law Society of Kenya has made good its threat of moving to court to challenge the enforcement on a myriad of grounds, including infringement of freedoms enshrined in the Constitution. Chairman Nelson Harvey wants the matter urgently dispensed with and the order suspended. LSK says the guidelines have been applied in a discriminatory and selective manner to suppress divergent opinion and have thereby been abused by the second respondent, who is the Inspector General of Police. LSK further notes that the order seeks to limit the rights and freedoms of or to an opinion expression, freedom of the media, association, assemble, demonstrate and campaign for a political cause, and therefore unlawful, unconstitutional and invalid. The case now in court, supported by sentiments from the Kenya Media Sector Working Group, an umbrella body that represents journalists working in different spheres, which argues that the guidelines, especially those touching on media working, are retrogressive and unnecessary interference in the work of the media and access to information by Kenyans. The Inspector General of Police says that he has noted the complaints on the selective application of the law, but promises to continue doing so, as he believes that there are some meetings that are meant just to cause violence. Deputy President William Ruto and his allies have repeatedly called out authorities for using the Public Order Act to curtail their freedom of association and assembly. They accuse the police of being used to advance a political agenda, but the government is having none of it.
Let us not turn Kenya into the animal farm, where there are some that are more equal than others. The law must apply equally across Kenya, irrespective of who is leaning towards which or what direction.
Kwa jina lako tukufu.
The Deputy President spoke as he met the clergy from South Nyanza at his Sugoi home. Kennedy Mureithi, NTV.
Nyinyi bariki yeye, bariki.